If you've ever wondered how to tag everyone on Telegram, here's the important thing to know right away. Telegram does not have a built-in native command like at everyone to mention every single group member at once. So if you're trying to send an announcement to the whole group, the best workaround is to pin a message and notify all members. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a few steps, and I'll also give you a couple of quick tips so your message gets seen by the right people. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Telegram and go to the group chat where you want to get everyone's attention. Now type out your announcement clearly, whether that's an update, an event reminder, an important notice, or anything you want the entire group to see. Once your message is posted, find that message in the chat. On desktop, right-click the message. On mobile, you may need to press and hold the message until the options appear. From the menu, look for the pin option and select it. This is where the magic happens, because pinning makes the message easy to find at the top of the group. After you click pin, Telegram will show a box or prompt that says notify all members. Make sure you check that option if you want everyone in the group to receive a notification about the pinned message. This is the closest thing to tagging everyone on Telegram since it sends the announcement out to the whole group instead of just leaving it buried in the chat. After you've selected notify all members, click pin to confirm. And just like that, your message is now pinned and your group members should be alerted. This is especially useful for admins, community managers, class groupers, work chats, and any Telegram group where you need important information to stand out. A quick tip: keep your pinned message short, clear, and action-oriented. If people are seeing it as a notification, the first line should immediately explain what they need to know or do. Another helpful tip is to update the pinned message whenever the announcement changes so your group always sees the latest information. And remember, even though Telegram doesn't offer a true at everyone mention, pinning with notifications is the safest and most effective way to reach the whole group at once. If you found this useful, please give the video a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.